Wow, the weather's so nice today. What's up? These are solid side dishes. Their specialty is the mudfish soup. They also have tonkatsu and deep fried Korean herb. It's amazing. Here is the deep fried mudfish plus deep fried Korean herb. I've never had this. This is interesting. 맛있는데? 근데 좀 더 진한 건 내가 좀 더 진해. 그렇긴 해. 그 집이 더 바삭바삭하네. 아, 입에서 그냥 부서져. This restaurant is like a small enterprise. I am on my way to Seoul International Aerospace and Defense Exhibition of 2023. Apparently it's going to be the largest ever because it is the 75th anniversary of the Korea and US alliance. So they're expecting over 500 companies from more than 35 countries. So there should be a lot of exciting things to see. These ducks are just purely enjoying the sun. We should be able to... I was gonna say I was hoping to see some cool fighter jets, and there they are. Here comes another two of them. Holy! So even though we bought the tickets, this is the lineup just to get in. These are all the ticket holders. Not sure how long it's gonna take. Can't even see the end of the line right now. So the cool thing about this airport, normally it's not even open to the public. It's reserved for the Korean Air Force, but they're opening it up just for today, and some other days they're doing the demo for. Starting to see some planes. It looks like these are old ones that are just on display. Close to the entrance, and there's still lines of people. Look at these loads of people. There are people everywhere. This kid has a good spot. This tank weighs 43 tons. Holy smokes. Can have 3 crew members in there. Can go up to 65 km/h. Check out the UAV over there. I've only seen them in games. This is the first time seeing it in person. So this device down here, that's the device that is used for getting the UAV on the air. This one looks like it's gonna transform into something else. So this one doesn't need a driver. It's fully automated airplane. That is crazy. There's another UAV. This is a smaller size. Seems like that is the controller. That's badass. But this chopper though, holy, look at this. This is the LAH model. Look at that badass laser. And this machine gun down here. And on the left side, there's another big machine gun. Oh, that's a sick outfit for the pilot. So this one right here, it can fly up to 262 kilometers per hour. That is incredibly fast. And it weighs about 8.7 tons. And the unit cost of this chopper was $18 million. Wow. 빨간색은
네.
뭔데 그거 띄우시는 거예요, 나중에?
저거는 약하거나
네.
예민한 부품들은 평소에 이렇게 지상에 계류할 때 다
네.
막아놓습니다.
아, 그렇구나. 직접 운전하세요?
네, 저는 자동차라서.
와, 멋있네요.
동그란 검은색은
네.
그 레이더가 나를 비추고 있을 때
네.
그걸 경보해 주는 거고,
아,
그 밑에 거 온도계고,
네. 저거는요?
가운데 있는 거는 적외선 카메라예요.
아,
전시장
저걸로 그러면 지상 다 볼 수 있어요?
네, 20배율까지 당겨가지고 360도가 돌아가요.
와. Seems like they're firing up the jet. That was purely insane. I've never seen anything like that so close up before. Look at this thing. This thing's massive. The size of the engine is just purely massive. This one is called F-51D Mustang. Apparently they were using this plane during the Korean War in 1950. This is the legendary Apache. Wow, look at those missiles and the machine gun. It just looks strong. And check out these gigantic drones. So these are drones capable of transporting supplies. Wow, it can fly up to 50 kilometers per hour. And this drone right here has a machine gun attached to it. That is insane. So the maximum range of the Canon up there is 11.3 kilometer. I'm very impressed by the number of different vehicles that are displayed at this place. Thought it was just going to be jets and a couple of tanks, but they really brought out every sort of battle vehicles out here. This tank right here in the back, that one is purely for delivering ammunition, and of course it has a small machine gun, but what it does is it delivers the ammunition to the tank in front of it so that the tank can pretty much endlessly shoot the bullets. I didn't know Hyundai makes these type of vehicles. That is crazy. This one is also built by Hyundai. They have a whole lineup of military vehicles. Look at the size of this drone. Jesus Christ. Looks like it has been made by Kia. It's very interesting that the Korean car companies are also diving into the military lineups. Look at the size of these bullets. And guess what? Did you know Korean Air makes fighter jets? Robot for anti-terrorism. They also have displays of pistols. Is this the line for going out? This is crazy. Over there, check out the hotel for cats and large dogs. Came to Moran, which is a neighborhood nearby. Seems like they have some sort of a market going on here. 여기 먹을 거 있다. Let's see what they have. They got udon here. They got veggie pancake, fish cake, and tteokbokki, which is the spicy rice cake, chicken feet, fried dumplings, and ginseng, deep fried ginseng. Sunday. And these are steamed corn, $1.50 each. And we got fish cakes. That looks amazing. Oh, that looks good. 맛있는데? 먹을래? 이게 뭐야? 깻잎. This is a place for a hot dog, which is a Korean style pancake with sugar inside. It's freaking amazing.
맛있다 이거.
맛있어요?
식어도 맛있다고요?
식감이 너무 좋다. I am stuffed after that meal.